Although, the keto diet is super popular for its weight loss benefits. But, do you know? According to a study by the National University, there is one critical aspect about keto that majority of people simply miss out, resulting in making you face serious health issues, making you end far beyond the desired results from your keto journey. Now, what exactly is that thing, which is so much critical for a successful keto diet? Well, according to the study findings, neglecting exercise on the keto diet can have severe results. Yes, you heard that right. A proper keto-suited workout routine is a must. If the keto diet is followed in isolation, without the proper and relevant exercises, it can dangerously accelerate muscle loss and seriously impair the body's metabolic adaptability, resulting in compromising both physical strength and energy efficiency. Plus, it could also heighten the cardiovascular and bone health risks, leaving you alarmingly vulnerable to various health issues. But, given all this, it does not mean that you give up on your keto goals. In this video, we'll explain how to work out effectively on keto diet and explore the best suited exercises for a normal health person, thus giving you the optimal health and weight loss results from your keto. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness journey. So friends, combining the keto diet with the consistent and relevant exercise results in vastly amplifying the fat burning in your body and highly boosts your cardiovascular health as well. So, let's find out how to work out correctly on the keto diet and what are the best keto-suited exercises for you. Well, the initial weeks on the keto diet can be really challenging, as the body shifts its metabolism to ketosis. Some individuals experience fatigue, reduced endurance, and decreased strength. This period, often referred to as the keto flu, is temporary, and it's really crucial to adjust workout intensity and duration during this phase. Over time, as the body becomes keto adapted, exercise performance generally improves. So, what is the best workout intensity with keto? On keto, low to moderate intensity workouts can be more sustainable than high intensity activities, not only during the adaptation phase, but also in the later stages of keto journey. Continuing on this, now let's find out the ideal workouts for a normal health person on keto. Given the metabolic shift experienced on keto, certain workouts may be more suited for someone following this diet. Here are the top 3 keto recommended exercises. Number 1. Aerobic exercise, the low-intensity steady-state exercises. These exercises involve performing at a steady, low-intensity pace for extended periods, typically 30 to 60 minutes. Activities like brisk walking, cycling at a relaxed pace, and swimming are prime examples of this workout type. These exercises are highly suited for keto journey. Since these workouts are of lower intensity, they predominantly rely on fat as a fuel source, aligning perfectly with the metabolic state of ketosis. Furthermore, these low-intensity exercises highly enhance the cardiovascular health. They vastly promote fat loss and increase overall endurance. Number 2. Resistance training. Resistance training involves activities that make muscles work against an external resistance, like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises. These exercises include squats, push-ups, and lunges. Resistance training builds the muscle mass, which can increase the resting metabolic rate, something really important on a diet. It also promotes bone health, enhances functional strength, and highly complement the weight loss effects of keto. Number 3. Flexibility and mobility workouts. These exercises focus on enhancing the flexibility of muscles and the mobility of joints. Yoga and Pilates are popular forms of this workout category. These exercises are really suitable for keto. Flexibility and mobility exercises, like yoga, are generally low intensity, making them highly compatible with the energy profile of the keto diet. Improving flexibility highly reduces the risk of injuries. It promotes better posture and enhances overall functional fitness. This workout type also offers mental health benefits, reducing stress and anxiety a great deal. Now, along with all these keto-friendly exercises, there is something really critical to keep track of: hydration and electrolytes. Well, the keto diet has diuretic effects, leading to increased fluid and electrolyte loss. Adequate hydration and electrolyte replenishment is really important. Especially sodium, potassium, and magnesium are paramount. So, do keep a check of your hydration and electrolyte levels. Well, to sum it all for you, the keto diet, while primarily recognized for its weight loss benefits, must be aligned with various exercise regimens for optimal results. For an average person on keto, a blend of low-intensity aerobic exercises, resistance training, and flexibility workouts can offer a comprehensive fitness routine that perfectly complements the metabolic state of ketosis. We'll be elaborating more on the keto diet and the suitable exercise regimes in our upcoming videos. Subscribe now to Shape Squad and keep getting all the vital knowledge and fitness tips. Hit the like button with keto power if you found this video helpful, and share it with your keto crazy friends as well. See you in our next video.